Following on from the principles learned in the first stage, you're now going to begin drawing out your main mandala design. Although the mandala area is split into 16 parts, we are going to begin by working into sections that combine two parts together. Within each section, you'll find two types of structural lines: the lines that run from the centre to the outer square and the circular lines that run across each section. Where each of these structural lines cross, they will form starting points and finishing points which you can connect your mandala pattern lines to. Here you can see me marking out my pattern lines. You will notice that whatever line I put in place, I created a matching line on the reverse side. When you have put your lines into place, you can start to add parallel lines to run alongside them. These will turn your pattern lines into frames. Each frame will form a new and smaller section. When you've drawn out all of your frames, you can then strengthen your lines with the same media that you used in your central motif. Here I am using a fine fibre tip pen. Remember that this is not a race, but requires concentration and control. You need to keep your lines sharp and neat. When you strengthen your frame lines, you can fill them in. Use short strokes when shading to ensure that you stay within the lines. When you have shaded into your frame lines, you can begin to fill in the sections with a range of mark making techniques. Remember, whatever technique you use, you must use the same technique in its matching section. Again, you need to exercise control. When you have completed your main circular section, repeat the process in the next section. Keep repeating until you have filled the circle, like this.